What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when Discord is not being properly installed on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, open up your task manager by searching for it in your start menu search. On this window, in the processes tab, make sure to end all Discord processes from running. This could be the installer or the actual application. When this is done, you can close your task manager and search for %app data %. After hitting enter, a new folder will open up. Make sure that you are in the app data and then roaming section of this folder. You should then proceed to delete the existing Discord folder. Next, navigate back to App Data and then Local. Here, you will find another Discord folder which you will have to delete. After deleting the Discord cache folders, open up your native settings application. In the Apps tab, select Apps and Features. Under App List, search for Discord. In case there is a Discord install on your system, then it will show up here. Click on the burger menu on the right hand side and select Uninstall. When navigating to discord.com, you will be able to re-download the installer, which should only take a few seconds to complete, until you can use Discord on your system again. You should also exclude Discord from being detected from your antivirus application, and you need admin permissions to properly install Discord on your system. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.